Good evening, all you droniacs out there. We are at a pretty special place, not the parking lot of Silo's Hotel, but we are at Bentleyville USA. That's right, America's largest walk-through Christmas light display. And that big boy right there is a 128-foot tall Christmas tree. Has an obscene amount of lights on it. I don't know how much it is, but a lot. Let's just put it that way. So yeah, we just got done completing our fly-through or flyover of Bentleyville. You can see all the people going through now. Made sure to not fly over anybody. But yeah, we got some pretty cool stuff. I'm pretty excited about this. This has been a bucket list of mine, and now that the FAA kind of relaxed their laws about night flying, made it all possible. So, yeah, what did we see? Well, we saw Bentleyville, that's for sure. And we saw a ship come through the lift bridge, and I cannot remember what the name of it was. I looked it up, but it escapes me for right now. I think it was from the Bahamas. So yeah, we got some good shots of that. Got some awesome shots of the flyover of Bentleyville. Be on the lookout for that little video. Pretty excited. It should be a good one. Like I said, it's been a bucket list for me. So one of my favorite places to go to fly right now. But that's about it. Yeah, make sure you set your notifications to say that, so it notifies you that I did post the full video of the flyover, so you can see that, have some music to it, all that kind of good stuff. And please make sure you like, subscribe, do all that good stuff that us YouTubers like you to do. So with that, I am out, and happy holidays, Merry Christmas, all that kind of good stuff to you. Bye now.